Hey guys, EliteTattoo.com has sent me these Elite INFINI needles. I've tried Elite cartridges before and I was very happy with them. Today, I want to try these brand new needles with you guys on some silicone. It really helps us out if you smash that like button and subscribe before we get started. Without further ado, let's check out the Elite INFINI needles. Okay, we're opening up a box of the Elite INFINIs here. This is a 10 gauge 3-round liner. So 10 gauge or bug pin. Take a look at this Elite cartridge close up here. It's got a clear tip, which is good so we can see the ink. They're green. There's the weld. A little reinforcement. All right, let's take a look. So I'm at 3.6 volts or 3.6 stroke length at 9 volts. So Elite seems to be making a very nice little cartridge here. I feel like I have good control of this 3-round liner, especially for a bug pin. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let me just turn it down now. We'll try a little stipple shading as well. I'm at 4.2, 3.5 volts. Really nice little dots there. Very good, very good. A little bigger so you can see. All right, so very nice dots there. I'm getting good control with my dot work because these cartridges seem to be super stable. I love stable cartridges, so you are definitely passing the 3-round liner bug pin test. Elite cartridges, good job. We're gonna try out a bigger needle, something a little harder to get the into the silicone. So let's try the 3-round liner. It's the same size, but it's a standard needle. Okay, I'm at 9 volts at 3.9 stroke length. Can go up if we need to. So the cartridge sounds really good. Try 4.2. Success! I see really nice clean lines at the 4.2 stroke length. I am at 9 volts. The 3-round liner looks beautiful. I think the cartridge, if anything, is just helping me more. I'm very happy with these Elites so far. I do want to see how it runs with the bigger needle. All right, I have the 9-round liner on and I changed over to the Bishop. I want to make sure to give it all I can in the silicone. I have it right now at 9 volts. Let's turn it on. So no clunking, no strange sounds coming from the cartridge. Very efficient looking and sounding. You also see the 9 round liner right there, very clearly written. Wow, really nice dark lines here with the Bishop and these Elite needles. The 9 round liner looks like it's getting every round in the silicone, and it has amazing control as well. There's some really, really good stability in these needles. So I'm very happy with that. I do want to try on a 9 round shader as well, just to give it a little more of a challenge. All right, I'm going to put on the 9 round shader. 9 round shader I could use with either machine. Let's see how it works with the Bishop. Bishop has a higher stroke length on it. I believe it's a 5mm stroke length. So I have the round shader in now. So again, really nice steady needles. Super, super nice steady needles. I see very good saturation as well on the silicone. I'm very happy with the performance with the 9 round shader as well. I want to see how a mag works with the Elite, so I'm going to put in a 13 curve mag. All right, we got this 13 curve mag. Take a look at that compared to the other needles. So their liners and their round shaders all have these gray backings. Here's their mag. It's got purple. There's the inkwell, has a nice open face, easy to clean. Some nice light feeling to this needle. Super soft feeling. So I see nice consistent patterning in this light shade in the 13 mag. Very nice light patterning. I'm going to try doing a little gradient here. So I see a nice soft look with these needles. I feel like they'd be great for some soft black and gray shading, things like that. Let's try turning it up now just a little bit to 7 volts, and we'll go up to 3.6. We're going to try making this darker. All right, it's getting dark, it's getting saturated. You should be able to get it in there. I might have to turn up my voltage just a little. Okay, let's see how that one did. Cool, a little bit darker that time. Awesome. All right, so I'm very happy with the 13 mag. I'm seeing nice shading. I'm seeing nice black packing, and I'm sure that it will do nice edging as well. Should we do that too? Let's do it. I'm at 8.5 volts right now. Wow, it just feels so stable, these needles. When you turn them on their side, sometimes they get a little more wobbly. Not with this Elite cartridge. we can see all the needles going in the silicone. Very nice and stable, really clean little lines. So again, just performing beautifully with these lines. Everything is going in great. Each individual line looks so saturated. Good stability, good lining, good pepper shading, everything. So Elite Cartridges definitely passed the silicone test. They're performing beautifully. I want you guys to take advantage of this opportunity and go to their website, elitetatattooing.com, but use the link in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.